Alright, what's up everybody? I just filmed the end of my last video and now I'm filming the beginning of today's video. I'm in Devil's Fork State Park in South Carolina, and I'm at the campground here, and I've pretty much got this thing all to myself. There's a few down trees from the hurricane that came through here and did some damage, but I'll show you some more of it here in just a few minutes. I'm right next to an awesome lake. I wish I'd known to take one of these spots over here by the lake, but I didn't know any better. Next time if there is a next time I come here, I'll know to get closer to the lake. There's my truck down there. That's where my camping spot is. Anyway, you can see the clouds. Looks like there's a little storm rolling in. So I'm gonna go down here and get all squared away for that. We just had a nice little thunderstorm rip through here about 15-20 minutes ago, and glad I didn't build a fire yet. It would have soaked my firewood, so luckily I got the firewood in the dry. It's flooded my camp pretty much. Yeah, the cot was killing my back, so I decided to try something different. And remember so you see the cot. Remember the backseat air mattress I was telling you about? I did a video on. I just didn't blow up the back flaps. I don't know why I didn't think of that sooner.
Great experience. We love the little chunk of heart.
I'm at a little day use area right here, just not far from my campground. Go this way so it's not sunny. You can pause it if you want to read it, but basically what it says is an old town site is under. You can see this part of South Carolina got hit hard. A lot of down trees. They got hit hard by that hurricane that you've heard so much about that went through North Carolina and parts of Tennessee hit here pretty good too.
You have arrived.
I'm trying to find a landmark called Jumping Rock, and I don't see it. It says I was arrived, and I don't see even a trailhead or anything. I love coming to these places when there's out off season and there's nobody here. Not a soul. And that's the way I like it. Another shot of all those downed trees. Look at this place, how nice this is. Listen how quiet this is. Compared to a place I was at, Takalula Gorge, compared to that place, it's very quiet because I was next to the highway there. There's no highway near here. This is a very rural state park, but I bet it's jumping in the summertime. I think I see Jumping Rock. I think that's it. Right there, I think. Right in there. Cool. I have no complaints about this place. It's not very big, so we're not going to have a whole lot more to explore. There's one more spot we can go check out. They actually have a lot of villas here, and you can't drive down that road unless you have a villa. And I didn't rent a villa. Us poor people have to camp. We still got a little bit more to look at. Mainly this park is for lake access. You know, it's mainly a summer park. And because you can see there's I'm at one of the other boat ramps, and again, there's not a soul here. It almost looks like an abandoned park. I'm sure a lot of these trees are brought down by the hurricane, but Bigfoot may have knocked some of them down. There's no way to know. There's no way we can know. Need to find a little trail here down to the lake. We'll see how far it goes. It may not be very far. Yeah, it's not far. It's just a huge bluff right here. Large tree got brought down off this bluff. I'm still amazed how clear this water is here. I think I'm gonna start using more youthful language to try to draw in a younger crowd. So I'll go ahead and try it right now. Devil's Fork State Park slaps. That felt pretty good. I think I did pretty good at that. They do have a hiking trail here, but it's closed, and that does not slap. I don't know if that's the correct term, but it unslaps, because I'd like to do that trail. But anyway, moving on.